Hello everyone, it's Thursday, September 9th, 2010. I'm TST Trader from Chartrat.com. Today the S&P 500 was up 0.48%. It broke out from a either symmetrical triangle or descending wedge. Either way, it doesn't really matter. It broke out. Now, a lot of people are saying this is a shooting star. It looks like a shooting star. And technically speaking, it is a shooting star. However, since it broke out and then just pulled back, which is basically what a shooting star does, it moves up and then it pulls back, which generally shows that prices couldn't be maintained up at whatever level the high was. At this point, roughly 1110. Now, in this particular case, I don't think this applies because it broke out and then pulled back to roughly the trend line it broke out from. So I don't think it applies that too much in this case. However, indicators are really saying that not really giving much support to this breakout. Money stream here, this yellow line, really looks like it's rolling over. Up a little bit, not really. Volume, slight up day. Obviously, more bulls than bears, more buyers than sellers today. But, not really too much action from this big breakout. TSV here, if you can scroll in, I don't know how well you can see, actually crossed below its 15-period moving average. It's the red line crossing below the white line there. That is a very bearish signal. Now, I think it will likely just cross right back over. It's being very finicky right now. And it's a very small breakdown, but these are bearish signs, so you would want to watch out, and especially with the technically speaking shooting star, even if I don't completely agree with the shooting star. And look at balance of power here. There's the histogram here. It nearly crossed below its 20-period moving average here. This is the white line. And very strong push down today in balance of power. It's kind of scary, especially seeing as it's on a breakout. MACD confirming beautifully. Nice push up in both the histogram and the MACD itself. Wonderful confirmation. Now, if we look over here at relative strength against the advanced decline line, or T2100, you can see that relative strength against the AD line crossed above its 30-period moving average. That's the green line crossing above the pink line here. That's bullish. Definitely, I think, means we're going to have some kind of a push upwards, and also looks like it's bottoming. So I really like the action here. Really does look quite nice. But the other indicators really don't support this at all. So we'll really just have to wait and see what happens. Also, we may have had a breakout, but if it is in fact a box pattern, as I was theorizing last week, we have to clear, in order for it to be properly broken out, these three resistance points here. This one in the middle. Sorry, straighten that out. This one down here at the bottom, and this one up here at the top. So until we really clear that, we have not fully broken out. The market could reverse at any moment with the indicators not confirming, and a technically speaking shooting star pattern, even if I don't completely agree with the bearish signal that that's technically giving. We could still reverse and come down. There's a good chance of that. Definitely finding some support in the moving averages here. And if you are going to go long, like the spiders, SPY, put a stop very, very close, for heaven's sake. Yeah, because we could reverse on a dime. But strictly speaking, we are broken out, and I am strictly speaking bullish. That's all for today. I'm TSD Trader, Chartrat.com.